How to fix purchase was not complete in Roblox app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the issue if your purchase was not complete in Roblox app. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Roblox app and it's going to bring you to the home page. Now you have to click these three dots on the bottom right corner and click this premium option. Now it's going to bring you to the membership page and here you will make the purchase. So just scroll down or click get premium over here, or you can just scroll down and click subscribe now. Now click purchase over here. Now it's going to ask for a face ID to just access your account details. Just double click to confirm the side button. Now once done, it's going to take you to the page where you have to add payment details. It's giving the issue because you're not adding your payment details. Once you add your payment details and continue to sign in, then update your billing info and then click continue. And then it's going to just do the purchase for you. So it's giving that error because you haven't added any purchase details over there. You have no account info on your account. That is why it's giving you that issue. So just fix it by adding your payment details on your iPhone and it's going to fix the issue.